Assalamu alaikum, good evening. My name is Farooq Shamsi and I'm from UNITE News Urdu. You are watching here live news. The new update is related to the new variant of COVID-19 and the new variant is coming up. The name of this variant is B.1.1.259 and this variant is found recently in the African countries and many more countries also. I'm going to update you. Recently, 1 hour ago, Saudi Arabia found one positive COVID-19 new variant patient. And the list is over there from following countries have the positive cases right now. Botswana has 19 cases right now, and other one is countries. The majority of the cases is Netherlands have 14 cases still now. Portugal is having 13 cases and United Kingdom having 14 cases, and other one is the latest countries. There are 1 and 2 cases. There are a lot of countries, but the majority of cases in the South African countries is that 77 cases still now. So this is a very harmful and dangerous COVID variant coming up, and we are praying that in India this will never come up, otherwise all things can be destroyed. And as you can see here, the previous variants of the COVID-19 affects a lot of in this Indian country. Thank you so much. Keep watching UNITE News Urdu and pray for India to not come the COVID-19 in India.